हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्न विथ सोम्या चैनल। आम ऑलरेडी एजुकेशन प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन 100 क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन कर सारी। तो आज आउ 50 क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा। तो चलतु स्टार्ट करवा आज वीडियो। सौ एक नंबर क्वेश्चन देखंतु, व्हाट विल द टीचर डू व्हेन ए स्टूडेंट asks an irrelevant question? आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, he will rephrase the question to bring clarity. तापर क्वेश्चन, as a head teacher what will be your response to below average students in the class? आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी, show generous attitude towards them. Which of the following is primarily used in classroom transactions? Our answer of option number A, blackboard. If a student misbehaves with a teacher in the class, he should. Our answer of option number B, leave the class for that day. The question, which is not a leadership function of educational administrators? Our answer of option number A, supplying lesson notes to teachers. Who should take an empathic role in convening SMC? Our answer of option number B, head teacher. Attention inside the classroom can be improved by. Our answer of option number D, all of the above. The question, communication in the classroom often falls because. Our answer of option number C, making classroom activities interesting. The question, a statement or a question which a teacher makes while introducing a lesson is relevant if. Our answer of option number A, it is related to the aim of the lesson. 110 number question, a naughty student in the class is. Our answer of option number B, unadjusted and unappreciated. Which is maximally helpful for a student to learn the best way? Our answer of option number C, doing. The nature-nurture debate on individual difference shortened to the roles of. Our answer of option number D, the heredity and the environment. The question, a teacher should behave with all his students. Our answer of option number C, equally. Good manners in students can be best improved by reinforcing the good manners when they are shown. The question, which of the following would effectively promote children's appreciation for democratic values? Our answer of option number A, democracy practiced and lived in schools. The question, most often school children experiences value conflicts because of. Our answer of option number A, conflicting value system of the school and the home. Writing a critical appreciation of a poem A. Our answer of option number D, cognitive in nature. What should a school have for a physically handicapped student? Our answer of option number C, proper facility for entering the classroom and toilet. Which of the following strategies is most suitable for weak student in the class? Our answer of option number B, project. Which of the following viewpoints would be held by behaviorists in relation to socialization of children? Our answer of option number A, environmentally driven. How would you deal with a child who frequently quarrels with his sibling and family members? Our answer of option number D, talk to him privately to add certain reasons. How would you inculcate healthy study habits in learners? Our answer of option number B, develop regular study habits in them from childhood. Which of the following is not associated with learner's cycle of motivation? Our answer about option number C, food. What would you do to modify the behavior of an obstinate child? Our answer about option number D, discuss with him when he is normal. Which of the following is not true about learning disabled children? Our answer about option number A, they have difficulty in hearing instructions clearly. The immediate knowledge of progress made by a student. Our answer about option number A, works as a motivator. Which depicts the correct sequence of constituents in the motivational cycle? Our answer about option number C, need, drive, incentive. Which needs stand at the top of the need hierarchy given by Maslow? Our answer about option number B, self-realization. What would you do if a child frequently steals his classmates' books, pen, pencils, etc.? Our answer about option number D, find out the reason and call his parents for a discussion. In selecting methods to motivate learners, a teacher should primarily be guided by the. Our answer about option number A, needs of the students. A mentally retarded child has an IQ. Our answer about option number C, below 70. Which of the following would not be recommended in case of a mild mentally retarded child? Stuttering is a form of. Our answer about option number A, speech disorder. If a child is anxious and withdrawn, you would fast. Our answer about option number B, emotionally disturbed. Which is true about talented children? Our answer about option number C, they get bored with normal classroom tasks. Which categories of children lag behind their peers because they have lower intelligence level? Our answer about option number B, mentally retarded. Epilepsy is a form of. Our answer about option number D, nervous system dysfunction. A teacher should provide challenging tasks to. Our answer about option number A, the gifted. Which of the following is not an environmental factor influencing child's school success? Our answer about option number C, child's personality dispositions. Children who frequently argue with adults are likely to have. Our answer about option number B, oppositional defiant disorder. Knowledge of multiple intelligences is important for the teacher because he would be able to. Our answer about option number A, foster the specific competencies in children. Those having disabilities in learning to read suffer from. Our answer about option number B, dyslexia. If H denotes heredity, E denotes environment and D denotes development, then the development of child can be expressed through the equation. Our answer about option number C, D is equal to H into E. Which of the following is an important indicator of hyperactivity in children? Our answer about option number D, difficulty in sitting quality. Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Central Institute of Vocational Education is located at. Our answer about option number C, Bhopal. The headquarters of NCT is located at. Our answer of option number D, New Delhi. Navodaya Vidyalaya primary cater to the educational needs of. Our answer of option number B, rural talented children. Which system of education primarily caters to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees? Our answer of option number A, KVS. CAB refers to. Our answer of option number C, Central Advisory Body of Education. Which is the odd one out? Our answer of option number D, NUEPA Mumbai. आज एति क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा। वीडियो केमे लागुचे कमेंट करंतु। आगु को जहाँ भी वीडियो अपलोड करिवे तार नोटिफिकेशन पाइबा पई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को प्रेस करंतु। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।